Well, hello guys. These are my hens. Almost that time, y'all. Beautiful day today. Yajon, yajon. Oh yeah. Some cocky ass hens. Both of these got from Nene. I don't know what those two are. And that one's from Nene. These three. Nene can confirm me because I'm always high, so I don't remember. He be telling me, but I forget. You know? Oh yeah. I'm thinking about putting you on the molly. That was the lay hatch. Might be a young cock. That's what I'm thinking. I hope it's a hen. Thinking it's a hen.